You're asking me, will our love grow? Gawin in kakain danzin. You stick around and it may show. Gawin in kakain danzin. Okay, hey, BOOZHOO! Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO! Not a BOOZHOO! The podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I'm Nana BOOZHOO over here, Hoa. My weenie Mushane, Natasha. How you doing, BOOZHOO, sweetie? Say hello.
BOOZHOO, Gakina. Hello, everyone.
And today, our Ojibwe word of the day. Bapakwaanaajiinh-inini.
Oh,
Bapakwaanaajiinh. Bat. Inini. Man. This is the story of the Bapakwaanaajiinh-inini. This is the story of the Batman. So back in the days of the grandfathers, there was a very wealthy man who lived in a very dangerous town.
oh,
And he was married to a lady who wore pearls. And he had a little boy named Bruce. And so one night, they decided, hey, you know what? Let's go down to the movie theater. We can go see Zorro. And little Bruce, he was like, oh, geez, I wanted to see that movie. I can't wait to see Zorro. And so they go down and they see that movie, right? And, it's everything that Bruce had hoped it would be. If you haven't seen Zorro, Zorro's a story about this guy. He wears a black mask and a cape, and he's got a sword, and he sword fights these guys. And when he leaves a big Z on the wall, and it's the mark of Zorro. And so they see the movie, and then they're walking, and the dad goes, hey, you know what? Let's go down this scary alley. And so he takes his wife with the pearls and his little boy, Bruce, and they start walking down there. Well, what happens? This robber comes up, and he's got a gun. And he goes, hey, you, give me your wallet. And Bruce's dad was all, hey, man, why don't you leave us alone? And that's when the guy, it goes, oh, yeah? Well, watch this. And he rips off the pearls from the lady, and all the pearls scatter on the floor. And then he goes, pow, pow, and he shoots the mom and dad right in front of Bruce.
oh, jeez.
And then he runs away. And little Bruce is like, oh, geez, look at this. My mom and my dad, they just got shot. What should I do? I'm just a little guy. I can't do anything. So he goes back home. And his butler, Alfred, goes, hey, you know what? Now that your parents are dead, I'm going to have to take care of you. So why don't you go ahead and, make a fort down in the basement there. You can call it a cave or whatever.
The Bat Cave?
And then I'm going to have you start working on karate and detective work and whatever. And so for the next number of years, Bruce, he worked really hard. He lifted weights every day, and he studied karate, and he studied how to make cars and grappling hooks and just everything. He was really smart. And then the day came where he goes, okay, you know what? I'm going to avenge my parents. He also learned how to sew. He learned how to make a costume. So he dressed up like a bat, and he put on a yellow belt that had all these gadgets just in case he got into trouble and he had to fight some guy.
You're right, huh?
But he already knew karate, so he knew that, he'd probably be fine. And he got into a car that he dressed up like, not like a bat, but it had like bat emblems on it, and it was black. It was, it was a really nice car. And he went out into the city, and he started to fight crime, but he would never use a gun. Don't pay attention to what you see in these movies. Batman didn't like guns.
Yeah, huh?
Because that's what killed his parents. Mm-hmm. And this is how little Bruce became Bapakwaanaajiinh-inini, Batman.
Oh,
And this has been the story of Bapakwaanaajiinh-inini, the Batman. To learn more about the Batman, go to your local library and ask them, how come you never have comics here? Why are you guys so stuck up you don't like comic books?
Yeah.
That's all we want to read. Oh no, you got to read Tom, what's his name? Huck Finn, Tom Sawyer. No, we want to read Batman. All right. Well, hey, sweetie. That was my rant. That was my Batman rant. What'd you think?
that was great.
Would you mind sending us out
Sure.
for the day? I know I do all the talking here, but I so love your beautiful voice.
Oh, get out of here. Well, hey, everybody. If you'd like to support the show, you can always leave us a tip at PayPal. Throw a quarter in the guitar case. And, or if you'd like to support us every month, click the link to Patreon, and we'll send you a book like Snow on Skin. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Miigwech gana wabieg. And I will see you again. Gigawabamin minawa. Oh. All right. Tune in tomorrow. Same bat time, same bat channel. Nah.